Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of foot care with Sole Insole, the revolutionary shoe insert that's changing the game. Say goodbye to foot pain and hello to instant relief. Join us as we explore how Sole Insole's innovative design and advanced technology are transforming the way we think about foot health. Let's step into comfort together. What is Sole Insole? Sole Insole is a revolutionary shoe insert engineered to relieve pressure from the heel and forefoot, offering instant relief from foot pain. Using high-performance memory gel and biomechanical design, it redistributes pressure evenly across the foot, aiding in natural arch strengthening without dependency on support. Its patented design guides the foot into proper alignment, promoting overall body alignment and reducing stress and tension. Specifications. 5 features of Sole Insole. Immediate relief. Incorporates high-performance memory gel for instant alleviation of foot pain and discomfort. Versatile fit. Seamlessly fits into various shoe types, offering convenience and adaptability for users. Long-lasting durability. Constructed with durable materials, ensuring years of reliable performance without losing shape or effectiveness. Multiple sizes. Available in various sizes to cater to diverse foot shapes and sizes, ensuring an optimal and comfortable fit for every individual. Natural drug-free solution. Offers safe and effective relief from foot pain without any side effects, making it a preferred choice for holistic foot care. Why we love Sole Insole. Instant relief. Provides immediate pain alleviation. Versatile. Works in all types of shoes, ensuring support and comfort. Natural, drug-free solution for foot pain, without any side effects. Durable, lasts for years with daily use, maintaining shape and effectiveness. Doctor recommended, endorsed by medical professionals. How does Sole Insole work? Sole Insole utilizes a combination of high-performance memory gel and biomechanical design to redistribute pressure evenly across the foot. This effectively relieves pressure from the heel and forefoot, promoting natural arch strengthening without reliance on external support. By guiding the foot into proper alignment, it helps align the body from the ground up, offering a relaxed and soothing sensation while alleviating built-up stress and tension throughout the body. Why should you choose Sole Insole? Sole Insole stands out as a natural, drug-free solution for foot pain recommended by medical professionals. Its proven effectiveness in relieving various foot conditions such as plantar fasciitis, Morton's neuroma, and bunions makes it a preferred choice. Additionally, its versatility allows it to work in any shoe, providing comfort and support without overcrowding. Experience all-day comfort, rejuvenate your feet, and improve your overall foot health with Sole Insole. Sole Insole packages? Sole Insole pack. Retail price, $29.99. Benefit, immediate relief and comfort. Discount, none. 3s Sole Insole packs. Offer, buy 2, get 1 free. Price, $19.99 each. Total $59.98. Benefit, enjoy extended relief for longer. Discount, save $29.99, 33%. 5 Sole Insole packs. Offer, buy 3, get 2 free. Price, $17.99 each. Total $89.97. Benefit, maximize savings and comfort. Discount, save $59.98, 40%. Sole Insole reviews complaints. For more details, please refer to the description on techidevis.com. Thanks for watching our Sole Insole video. Experience instant relief and lasting comfort with our innovative shoe inserts. Don't let foot pain hold you back. Take the first step towards happier, healthier feet today. Check out our website to learn more and grab your Sole Insole packs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more foot health and wellness content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll share more tips and tricks for happy feet.